Futures on the US stock indexes are trading mainly in the red, awaiting the outcome of the election to the US Senate. Democrats are likely to win the hotly contested Senate race in Georgia. The US dollar is extending weakness across the board, and Bitcoin has conquered another historic peak. Earlier today, the benchmark US stock indexes traded lower but regained footing later in the trading day. The Dow Jones edged up 0.06%, the Nasdaq gained 0.85%, and the S&P 500 climbed 0.71%. Investors are keeping close tabs on interim results of the Senate election. Democrats is outpacing Republicans in the runoff in Georgia. Democrats need to win both Senate seats from Georgia to gain full control over the Senate. This scenario will help President-elect Joe Biden to press more of his political agenda. Earlier, Democrats unveiled their intentions to impose new restrictions on high-tech companies. So, their control over the Senate means gyrations in the Nasdaq index. At the same time, experts generally assume that the Democrats' victory in the Senate election will pave the way for a larger fiscal stimulus package, thus boosting economic growth in the United States. Tonight, ADP National Employment Report will shed light on an employment change in the U.S. private sector. Analysts project the U.S. non-farm companies to have added 88,000 new jobs in December, much weaker than employment growth of 307,000 in November. The U.S. dollar is trading mixed versus the euro and the yen. The U.S. dollar index slipped 0.2% against a basket of 6 major currencies to trade at 89.31. Nevertheless, the greenback is setting strength against the Canadian rival. The USD CAD pair is now trading with a 0.02% uptick at the level of 1.2678. Today, Bitcoin again has set a fresh historic record. The number one cryptocurrency has topped $35,000 per token. Later, its price declined a bit to $34,702. The World Bank has come up with a fresh forecast for the global economic growth for 2021. Experts downgraded the forecast of an annual economic growth to 4% instead of a 4.2% gain in the previous outlook. The World Bank believes that the worldwide vaccination is the cornerstone of a steady recovery in the global economy. In the worst-case scenario, if the vaccination campaign encounters some delays, the global economy will be able to show a